Hey there, welcome back friends. In this video we will try to understand how to download and install Eclipse. So let's get started. Now in order to download Eclipse, simply Google for Eclipse and the first search result would be from eclipse.org. Navigate to this URL, which is eclipse.org/downloads, and we would be able to see the download options of Eclipse. Alright, so here is the downloads page of Eclipse. Now friends, this particular web page is smart enough and this will give you the download installer link based on your operating system. In our case, it is giving this button, download 64-bit. Reason being, our operating system is Windows 64-bit. Now, we can definitely get the installer, but we will go with this link, which is download packages. Now when it comes to packages, there are like numerous options, and based on the appropriate option we will download the Eclipse flavor. Alright, so in here there are like multiple options and we want Eclipse IDE for Java EE developers. So if I show you all the flavors which are available when it comes to Eclipse IDE, so one of the flavor would be Eclipse IDE for Java EE developer. So we will go with this option. Now friends, in here you can definitely download Eclipse for macOS, Linux or Windows. As we are making use of Windows 64-bit operating system, we will click on this link, Windows 64-bit. And now definitely it will open up a yet another page using which we can download Eclipse IDE. Here we go, and in here we will click on this downloads button and our download should start in couple of seconds. Alright, so the download has started. Let me show you. Here is the downloads. Alright, now friends, this particular version of Eclipse is version 2018-19 and definitely this will work for us. But when it comes to your operating system and if you are not making use of Windows operating system, then definitely download the appropriate flavor of Eclipse. So on this page where we can select packages, you will find appropriate version for Linux and macOS. So based on your operating system, download the appropriate version. Moving forward, if there is any confusion of how to install Eclipse on your operating system, and if the operating system is a non-Windows operating system, then definitely check out YouTube. On YouTube, search for the installation process of Eclipse for your operating system, and you will definitely find numerous videos based on the installation process of Eclipse for your operating system. Alright, so in here let me cancel this particular download. I have already downloaded Eclipse and this is nothing but a zip archive file. Now friends, this folder have like numerous files, so I will simply extract this file in here. So I will right click, extract here. In our case, we are making use of WinRAR for extracting. In your case, you can definitely make use of any zip archive tool. Alright, so it will take a couple of seconds to extract all the files. Let us wait and let us give a couple of seconds to the tool. Here we go. And once we have this folder, that's it. We need not to install the package. We need to simply start the exe file. So here is the exe file. Now usually what I do is I cut the Eclipse folder and I paste the Eclipse folder directly inside our C drive. This is the preferred location for me. For you, you can keep this folder anywhere based on your preference. And I also prefer to create a shortcut on my desktop. So let me show you. Here we go. And now on the desktop we have this shortcut, and using this shortcut we can quickly start Eclipse IDE, and this will take couple of seconds to start up. Alright, now we need to also choose the workspace, and workspace is what? Workspace is the folder where Eclipse will keep all the project related files. Alright, now let me click on launch, and now our Eclipse IDE will start up. Alright, so here is our Eclipse IDE. Here is the welcome page. Let me close the welcome page, and here is the default perspective. Alright, so this looks good to me, and now we are all set to start programming with Eclipse. Alright, so that's it for today, and in our next video we will start using Eclipse IDE. Alright, so this is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and take care.